module program was just relaunched in the summer of 2022.
So this training is for shop owners who would like to have their technicians attend Bosch Quality Training and learning valuable skills in order to perform their job more efficiently and effectively. One of the major benefits of in-person training is that the ability to learn from your peers, you have the ability to actually perform the tasks, and most technicians learn by doing.
Because you get that engagement with the learner and confirmation that the student is understanding the material as being presented.
Being able to actually build the circuits and test them live and learn from their peers and their co-workers is obviously a much greater benefit than doing an online module or reading and doing self-taught learning.
There's hands-on application with electrical circuit boards in the classroom where we not only build, but troubleshoot and diagnose electrical circuits.
And building upon those foundational skills can be used to work on newer vehicles and some of the new technologies we hear as far as electric vehicles and/or driver adaptive systems or ADAS systems as well.
I've heard fantastic feedback from the actual shops and technicians that have gotten this training in the past. Together, we can then move forward with our evolving automotive industry.
Some of the more exciting aspects of this face-to-face training is not only getting back in the classroom with students once again, but also the peer-to-peer training that goes on between the students and watching them, pick up this information and how it can be useful to them in their day-to-day jobs.
One of the most rewarding aspects of this job is to see technicians go back to their job with their job performance and the efficiencies that they bring from attending our Bosch classes, and receive some of that feedback, whether it be from the owner or run into the technician years later. That means a lot to us as trainers and to Bosch as well.
The module program was just launched with a brand new benefit package for the independent repair shops. You're going to get quality Bosch training, a consumer credit card financing option, digital marketing services at a discount, and double your rewards points. To sign up for our Quality Bosch training, go to our webpage, look at the training section. You can see what training is near you and simply fill out the form online or call our toll-free number and sign up your technicians.
After a few years of being away, it's great to be back in person, talking to people and seeing technicians in person again.
We really hope to see your technicians out here live, in person, learning together. Register today. We'll see you there.
Can't wait to see you.